Next question that we're looking at is a 67-inch piece of string is cut into 3 pieces such that the second piece is 3 times as large as the first, and the third piece is 4 more than 5 times as large as the first. Determine the lengths of the 3 pieces of string. Alright, looking at a solution, I'm going to look at the piece of string, okay, and we cut it into 3 parts. And what we're noticing from the information that we're given about the string is that these parts, you have the first part, let's assume that's the first part of the string. It's cut here, it's also cut here. Okay, so we have 3 pieces of string. This length, and this length. Okay, so what are we told so far about these 3 parts of the string? Okay, this length here, let's call it x, and this length here, what we're told about it, that's the second piece. We're told that the second piece is 3 times as large as the first. So the second piece is 3 times the value of this piece, and we call that 3x, or 3 times x. The third piece is 4 more than 5 times as large as the first. Okay, so if we have, let's see if we can interpret that a bit. So if we have 20, and let's say we say 5 more than twice 20. 5 more than twice 20. That's be 42. Correct. You're correct. Twice 20 is actually what? 2 times 20. And 4 more than that is simply adding 4 to twice 20. So that's actually 44. Okay, but in this case we weren't given that. So basically what we're doing is saying 4 more than 5 times as large as the first. So we work with the times first and then add the 4 for more. So 5 times as large as the first is 5 times x, since x is the first. 5 times as large as the first, but we want 4 more than that amount. So you just add 4 to it. So now we have the 3 parts. Okay, when we think about more in addition to, we use added, we put add. When we think about times, we multiply. Now what do we know about these lengths? When we add this length plus this length plus this length, what do we get? What we started with, 67-inch piece of string. It was cut into 3 pieces, but all those 3 pieces should add up to 67 inches. Okay, this length right there, the length of the entire string is 67. So we can say that x plus 3x plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 67. And all we got to do there is to solve. So it's going to give us x plus 3x is 4x plus 5x, that's 9x's, is equal to 67. And we're going to take this 4 over as minus 4. And so we have 9x equals 63. In fact, what we did is subtract 4 from this side. It cancels or remove from this side. We subtract 4 from this side as well to give us 63. Now in the next step, what we need to do is to divide both sides by 9. Why? It gives us the same result. 9 times what give us 63? 9 times 7 give us 63. But you see, if we divide both sides by 9 to get rid of the 9 there, it goes once, we get x, 1x equals 7. Okay, so we found the value of x, but what was the value of x? What is the value of x? The value of x is the length of the first piece of string, which is 7. 7 inches. The second piece is 3 times the value of the first. So if the first is actually 7, then the second is 3 times that amount, which is going to give it 21. And the third is 5 times that amount plus 4 more than that, so that's equal to 5 times 7 plus 4. That's 35 plus 4, which is 39. Okay, so the first piece is 7, second piece is 21, and the third piece is 39. If we add these up, we should get 67.